to the CDC, Bibb County is one of 5 central Georgia counties back at high risk for COVID-19. However, some doctors are saying it's not as bad as it was 2 years ago.
Jessica Cha spoke to some medical professionals about why the coronavirus is spreading again and what some folks have to say about it.
It's really now a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
Atrium Health Navicent's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Sandy Duke, says that the number of people getting COVID-19 is nowhere near where it was last year, but
We think that the actual number of cases is slightly higher than that, given the number of home tests that are available now. And so the numbers are probably higher than what the Department of Public Health reports on their website.
Duke says COVID cases are going up again due to people wearing masks less often.
So now as we come together and have gatherings around holidays, we're seeing people who are coming back from summer vacations and then coming down with COVID or contracting COVID while they're away.
Duke says that there are fewer COVID hospitalizations compared to last year, but it should still be taken seriously.
We had actually gotten to a point where we actually didn't have anyone in the system with COVID in the hospital, and we're now back up where we have several in isolation and several in the intensive care unit with very serious disease.
No, I'm not as fearful as I was when COVID first came out.
Shante Conway says she's vaccinated and only wears masks if there are big crowds. She says people should have gotten their first couple of vaccinations.
But now that it's settled down, I mean, no, unless you're traveling or on a plane or on a cruise ship or something like that.
When it comes to COVID, we are definitely in a completely different environment than we were last year.
Michael Hawkinson of the North Central Health District says that there's a reason why COVID doesn't seem to be as severe as before.
Instead of having an illness that hits hard and fast, we're having something that does spread very quickly, but does not impact individuals as harshly as previous variants of COVID. The vaccine does also add that buffer as well.
In Macon, Jessica Cha, 13 WMAZ News.
Dr. Duke says COVID can still be severe and even deadly to those who are unvaccinated and urges everyone to get the shot if they haven't already.